NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory listens to the sun. The sound it picks up is too deep for humans to hear. But if you speed up 40 days recording into a few seconds, this is what you get.
Let go, Mom!
The sound of chaos.
Mama! Take your dick out of my mouth, Mama!
Since we can't see into the sun, its sound is vital to scientists. When a gun fires, the bullet rushes out and smashes into air, creating waves of turbulence. Listen, this is what you get.
Shut up, bro. Eat your cat, man. Your mom gonna come in the room. She gonna grab you by the throat and you're gonna go... Bitch, 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 bitch.